Understand the concept of mole fraction. The mole fraction of a component in a solution, Chi, is defined as the number of moles of that specific component divided by the total number of moles of all components in the mixture. For this solution, Chi methanol equals N methanol over N methanol plus N water. Determine the molar masses of the substances. Use the periodic table to find the molar masses of methanol, CH3OH, and water, H2O methanol, CH3OH 12.0 grams per mole, C, plus 4.0 grams per mole, H, plus 16.0 grams per mole, O, equals 32.0 grams per mole. Water, H2O, 2.0 grams per mole, H, plus 16.0 grams per mole, O, equals 18.0 grams per mole. Convert the given masses to moles. Moles of methanol. In methanol equals 128 grams over 32.0 grams per mole equals 4.0 moles. Moles of water. In water equals 108 grams over 18.0 grams per mole equals 6.0 moles. Calculate the total number of moles in the solution. In total equals 4.0 moles, methanol, plus 6.0 moles, water, equals 10.0 moles. Calculate the mole fraction of methanol. Chi methanol equals 4.0 moles over 10.0 moles equals 0.40. This matches option D. The correct answer is option D, 0.40.